What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who I'm back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today. Guys, let me see. We got Red right here behind me, man. I've been building this truck now for a long time, as y'all know. But currently, there are a lot of new people getting into the truck scene. I get DMs all the time from guys saying, man, this is my dream truck. I want to build my truck. What's the setup? Things like that. A lot of the guys are coming from sports cars. So it's very interesting because a lot of the truck guys I know have now went over to sports cars, and a lot of the sport car guys are now coming over to the truck thing. Which leads me to this video today. I remember when I first started building my truck, I had no idea what the heck I was doing. And honestly, I still don't really know what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? But I kind of got some experience in this thing now. So basically today I'm talking about if I was to do any 5 mods, the top 5 things I probably would do if I'm gonna build the truck just to get started, it would be these. So let's go ahead and hop into it. First thing that I think any vehicle you want to do is going to be some tint, bro. So my setup on my truck is 5% on the sides here, 5% on the back, and then also I have 35% on the windshield. Now, a lot of people don't do the windshield tint, and I get it. Me personally, now that I have my windshield tinted, honestly, there's a lot of benefits to tint in one. So I'm just gonna go over real quick. 1, it helps protect the interior of your cabin. 2, privacy. People can't see what's in your truck and they're less likely to steal out of it. And 3, sensitive to light. You can go get a doctor to know they have light sensitivity issues. Like what I notice now with my windshield being 35%, I don't have to wear sunglasses like ever, like really ever. Those are the benefits of tint, besides just the look of it. As I was saying, a lot of people don't agree with the windshield tint. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this 35% is pretty dark. I'm gonna be real, at nighttime it's pretty dark. So I always recommend getting a good set of headlights if you're gonna do windshield tint. I think the perfect balance of windshield tint probably is like 55%, 50 to 55. If you can run that, you might get away with no issue from cops. 35, which is what I have, you can't tell here, but it's pretty freaking dark, but there's a lot of light coming through here right now, but it's pretty freaking dark. I parked this thing out here, you can't see me in there, like seriously. Tint your windows, and if you want to, you can tint your windshield. The next thing I would personally do besides that is I would get a leveling kit on your truck, bro. I currently have a 6-inch lift kit on this truck, so it's not a leveling kit, but before you get to the lifted part, just go ahead and throw a leveling kit on the truck. You know, most trucks come down like this in the front end. A leveling kit is just gonna raise it up, have it sit nice, level look for you, which is why it's called a leveling kit. Much cheaper than doing a lift kit. It's gonna get you a good, nice level look before dropping the cost or the expense that it is going to cost you to get a lift kit. Leveling kit is a great way to get the truck looking pretty good without going super drastic. You're also going to maintain your factory ride quality as well, guys. So that's the benefit of doing a lift kit. And if I didn't lift my truck, I definitely would start with a lift kit first. Next, we're going to talk about lighting, and basically swap all your bulbs, everything for LED lighting, bro. LED lighting everywhere. So I have aftermarket headlights, but I'm not talking about that. If you had stock headlights, just put some LED bulbs in there. LED bulb, your fog lights. If you can count this as lighting. Get you some rock lights, man, some LED rock lights. Also here on my rear plate back here, also I got LED bulbs back here as well. You know, things like that. LED right here on my third brake light. LED everywhere. If you're in the interior of the cabin, if you don't have LEDs already, I thought I unlocked the door. My truck came with LEDs up here. So like, there we go. Go ahead, get you some LED bulbs up here too, man. Honestly, bro, just LED on a truck is just gonna change the way it looks. It's gonna make it look and feel a lot more higher end with the LED bulbs, trust me, guys. So that will be the next things. Swap LEDs everywhere, bro, and trust me, now you got your tint, you got LEDs, and you got a leveling kit. I'm telling you, bro, you're gonna be sitting right. Moving on to the next thing I would do, and I've done this to my truck. Next, I would debadge it, and this is probably the freest one you can do. Basically, you get you some fish wire, bro, and take off all the badges and stickers on your truck. Now, if you are a sticker and badge person, and you do actually love the way that looks, then by all means, please feel free to keep it on there. But for me, I went ahead and I debadged my truck. I had the EcoBoost sticker right here I took off, and then also back here, I had the FX 4x4 Sport sticker that was back here as well, something like that. Guys, just basically go ahead and take it off. It's just gonna clean up the truck so much better. Like, look at that, it's just a nice clean look, bro. So debadging is one thing, and also get rid of the big old antenna. A lot of people up here have these big old funky antennas, man. Just get rid of that. This is kind of 2-in-1 I'm giving y'all. Get rid of the antenna. It's just gonna clean up the back end of the truck. It's gonna clean up the front end of the truck and the back end of the truck, excuse me. Coming on to the back, I don't know if I had any stickers back here. I think I had one down here too. Again, fish line, take it off. And trust me, guys, it's just gonna make the truck look so much cleaner and better. And And probably the last thing, which is probably going to be the biggest thing, man, just go ahead and throw you on a set of aftermarket tires and aftermarket wheels. Now, I'm not talking about what I have on my truck. I have 37s, 24x14s. It can be a bit pricey. I'm talking about to get you like some 35s, maybe some 33s, and put you like some 20x10s on there. Just a beefy, good-looking tire, a nice, good-looking wheel, just to get you a little aftermarket, just an aftermarket look, you know, just kind of dress the truck up. Now that you got your tint on, you got the truck level, you done debadged it, you got the LED lighting. The only thing you're missing is some wheels, bro. You put some wheels on it, you're gonna have a nice, simple, clean build, bro. And I think that's the main thing for me, keeping it nice, clean, and simple. A lot of people kind of want to overdo it and do too much, but honestly, if you just keep it real simple, real clean, and to me, that's the thing I want to probably go for all my trucks, clean and simple. That's going to win every time. And guys, I'm gonna give y'all one more bonus thing that you can do, guys, and that's just going to be some color matching. And what I mean by color matching, as y'all can see here, I got my grill color match to the truck. It did not come like that. I got some painted mirror caps put on the truck. I got a little color thrown in with the upper control arms. You can easily do that on your truck as well. It just helps pop out those colors that you're trying to coordinate with your truck. So with my badges, I went with the black and red ones right here. So yeah, just adding some color match to your truck is going to help it look a lot better, a lot more uniform. Going to give it a nice, classy, clean look. And if I had to choose those 5, and I threw it in a 6th one just for y'all, those 5/6 things are going to get you started out. And trust me, when you're riding around through the city, whatever you may be, before you get to your lift kit, big wheels, big tires, all the extra stuff, performance mods, if you just start there, do those 5 simple things, I promise you, bro, you're gonna have a good looking truck. Anyway, that's all I got. Thank you for watching. I'll catch y'all next time.